Alright, so today we're going to talk about another tool from Autool. I know I said the name wrong on the last video, but this one's going to be a battery tester, and it comes with a printer. So it's pretty nice, especially if you're doing it for customers. You can print out their test and so they can keep it. For me, it's nice when I have a lot of batteries. So it's nice so that I can just check what I had for each battery. So anyways, this is what it looks like in the front. Show you the back for a little bit. Alright, let's get opening this. And I got excited and I opened this earlier. So probably doesn't look as nice as yours is gonna look. So comes with the cable, transfer data cable, and then of course the battery tester with the printer. These cables look really nice. So here's the tester part of it and the printer part of it. And then at the bottom, you have the instructions and the certificate for quality. So let's go and test the battery. Alright, so you see as soon as I connect it, turns on, tells you the date, the time, and what the voltage is at right now. Let's see. You click this OK button, and then I click OK for the battery test to regular flooded. And if you want to check the code cranking apps, you click OK, and then select whichever yours is. So mine right here is at 690. Yeah, 690. So you go up all the way to 690. Whoops, went too high. Then you click OK. And it's testing the battery. And it says that that's 940, so batteries are good. So you go back with menu, hit OK. Let's see, do the cranking test. So it tells us to do your engine, start your engine. So we'll go and start our engine. Alright, so we started our engine. It says it's testing it. So the time it took was 1302 milliseconds, and the cranking is normal at 1255 volts. So tested the cranking. Alright, now the charging tests. So showing the ripple test. And it says increase RPM to 25, keep it for 5 seconds, press enter to continue. Alright, so we're going to try to keep it at 2500. 5 seconds. Alright, so that was about 5 seconds. We'll come back over here. Hit enter. It says it's loaded at 34, rippled unloaded, or unloaded at 14. Monday. Hey guys, Galicia322 here. So on my previous video, I realized that on the charging test, you're supposed to be pressing the pedal right after you press that button, and that's why I got a low reading on the first one. So I did another video, which is coming up next, which I had to run and press it as soon as possible. So it'd be better if there's two of you for that test, so that way as soon as you press it, the guy's pressing it for at 2500 RPMs for 5 seconds, or else you're going to get a low reading, which is going to be false. Also, on the when I was printing the receipt on the last video, or the last part of this video, I realized that you guys couldn't see the receipt, so I'm going to post a picture of it at the end, so just so you guys know. Alright, thank you. Alright, you can review your data. Shows that everything is good. And you just print your data. And it'll show you right here, 96%, 12.58 volts, SOH is 100, measured at 940 amps. Code crank amps is only rated at 690, which is what we put in. Let's see the time it took, the voltage, and then this is the charging voltage normal, and then the ripple and everything. So you just take that out, and you can give this to a customer or whatever. If you want to export it, you just press it there. But yeah, it's a really great thing to change, to check your battery. It's really great to do it at home. You can find this at Amazon, so if you have any questions or anything, just let me know, leave some comments, and if this video helped you, just subscribe and like this video. Thank you.